For today's sketch challenge, I will be adding a Paisley design to the Diamond Pinwheel block that is made from half square triangles.
As we draw the Paisley, we are going to think of a cartoon whale. I'm going to start at the bottom and make a big body for my whale and then curl the tail in. And there I have a single Paisley. If you are making a chain, a line of Paisley shapes, you can use the wave idea. So we make our first Paisley and then we travel along the body, either the bottom or the top. And again, make a real fat body and then a little curl for the tail. Big fat body, little curl for the tail. If you have ever stitched or drawn feathers, that's very much like the petal of a quilted feather. So with my Paisley design, I am going to start at the center of my pinwheel, and I'm just going to put a single Paisley in each spoke of my pinwheel shape. And then I'm going to travel to the next one, and that got going a different direction. So I would really want to plan that out better so that all my Paisley shapes were going in the same direction. For these small half square triangles, I'm just going to do a single curl, and I am going to keep all those curls going the same way. And then when I get to that fourth one, I'm going to travel out to the outer half square triangle, and same thing here. I'm going to travel along those stitch lines to get to my outer half square triangle. And then I am going to do another single Paisley, and that's really difficult. You saw the hard shape that I was, or the mistake there on that. I didn't curve in to make that nice bubble loop very well because I wasn't concentrating on the shape that I was drawing. So let's see. I want to be coming at it from this inner corner, and I'm going to curve around and make sure I drop down. And same thing, I'm traveling back over those stitching lines that I've already done. If you wanted to cut through the middle, you could do that too, and swoop it in and make that curl tail. So we've got a couple examples of well done Paisleys and some other ones that are not so perfect, but that's why we practice. That's why having a printout of your block before you commit to trying different designs in fabric and thread, you can really play with what shapes you want to emphasize and where you want to position these different free motion quilting elements. It's all for fun and for practice so that we build our toolkit of different free motion quilting motifs.
Follow along with the daily designs by downloading the workbook that is available from truebluequilts.com. Another fun design with pinwheels is rainbow stitching, and you can see my version of rainbows and pinwheels in the video on the screen. I'll see you in that next video.